Engineer Duku, the founder of Godlike Electricals. I want us to see how timer works. So when you see this circuit diagram, you see that 1 is normally closed with 4, and then normally open with 3. 8 is common, and it's normally closed with 5, and then normally open with 6. This is the main coil of a contactor. So before the main coil of a timer. Before the timer will work, we need to supply power for the terminal, coil terminal. So let's see. All of these are highlighted here. So when you see 7, 8, 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, and 3, then we move on and build a circuit. So when you see the diagram, you see that they supply live to 2 of the contactor coil. Then they supply live for the common, which is the 8 here. So you connect 2 cables here. From 2 it moves to the 8. Then we supply neutral to the 7 of the contactor. From then it moves to the load, which is the output. And then from then the load move to 6, which is the normally open the timer. So before your timer works, you need to set a time. So I will set my time to 2 seconds. So after the 2 seconds, the timer will work. So let's supply. Sorry.